Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Hope you are doing well and you are in very good health and very good mood. Well, our today's lesson is about inside our earth. The earth is our homeland. It is a dynamic planet. It's constantly undergoing changes inside and outside. Have you ever wondered what lies in the interior of the earth? What is the earth made up of? Well, our today's lesson is about the interior of the earth. Just like an onion, the earth is made up of several concentric layers with one inside another. You can please refer to your textbook page number 7. There are some figures given there which will help you understand the layers of the earth. The uppermost layer of the earth over the earth's surface is called the crust. The uppermost layer over the earth's surface is called the crust. It is the thinnest of all the layers. It is about 35 kilometers on the continental masses and only 5 kilometers on the ocean floors. The main mineral constituents of the continental mass are silica and alumina. It is thus called Sial. Si for silica and Al for alumina, and together it's called Sial. The oceanic crust is mainly made up of silica and magnesium. The oceanic crust mainly consists of silica and magnesium. It is therefore called SEMA. Si for silica and Ma for magnesium. Now this is about the crust. Then comes the largest layer of the earth. Just beneath the crust there is the layer which is called mantle. Mantle which extends up to a depth of 2,900 kilometers below the crust. Just beneath the crust is the mantle which extends up to a depth of 2,900 kilometers below the crust. That's about 1,800 miles. It is the largest layer of the earth. It is composed of very hot, dense rock. The mantle is made up of much denser, thicker material. Many geologists believe that the mantle flows because of convection currents. Now, convection currents are caused by the very hot material at the deepest part of the mantle rising, then cooling, sinking again and heating, rising and repeating the cycle over and over. For example, the next time you heat anything like soup or pudding in a pan, you can watch the convection currents move in the liquid. When the convection currents flow in the mantle, they also move the crust. The crust get a free ride with these currents. So this is about the mantle. Then there is the innermost layer of the earth. The innermost layer of the earth is called core. It has a radius of about 3,500 kilometers. It is mainly made up of nickel and iron and is called knife. Nickel, Ni for nickel and Fe for ferrous, that is iron. The central core has very high temperature and pressure. It has very high temperature and pressure. The inner core of the earth has temperatures and pressures so great that the materials are squeezed together and are not able to move like a liquid, but are forced to vibrate in place as solid. So this is about the layers of the earth. Now there are some questions for you. What are the 3 layers of the earth? This is the question number 1. What are the main constituents of the crust? What are the main constituent components of the crust? Now question number 3. What do you know about the core of the earth? And with this we conclude it today. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.